Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you detailed reviews of products that matter. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews and tips. Today, we're diving into the 50 Sets Personal Hygiene Kit Bulk, a comprehensive toiletry kit designed for travel, large events, and essential sanitation needs. So what exactly is this product? The Strut 50 Sets Personal Hygiene Kit offers a full suite of 10 hygiene essentials, neatly packed in individual sets. Each set includes a soap bar, 14 0.5 aughts, a toothbrush, toothpaste, 0.88 aughts, a comb, floss picks, a cover, shampoo, 0.35 aughts 10 milliliters, body wash, 0.35 ml, and a vanity kit with cotton swabs, cotton pads, and a nail file. Everything comes in a reusable zipper bag for easy storage and portability. Now, let's get into the details of this kit and see how it performs in real-life situations. Whether you're heading out on a business trip, preparing hygiene packs for charity donations, or just looking for a compact travel set, this kit offers a lot in a convenient package. The toothbrush is equipped with soft bristles, which are great for a comfortable clean, while the comb is lightweight and durable. The mint toothpaste provides a refreshing, smooth clean without being overpowering, and the soap offers a gentle lather. The body wash and shampoo, both with a mild tea scent, are perfect for a fresh, natural feeling after a long day. When I tested the product, I found it surprisingly practical. The individual packaging makes it easy to use and dispose of without creating unnecessary mess, which is perfect for travel or when you're on the go. Plus, the inclusion of floss picks and a vanity kit adds a nice touch for a complete hygiene experience. The body wash and shampoo worked well, though the small sizes may not be enough for extended trips or multiple uses for larger groups. On the downside, the plastic packaging could feel a bit wasteful if you're concerned about sustainability. Let's break it down. Pros: comprehensive 10-in-1 kit covering all essential hygiene products. Compact, travel-friendly size. Each item individually wrapped for convenience and hygiene. Mild tea scent in body wash and shampoo adds a pleasant touch. Reusable zipper bag helps keep everything organized. Perfect for large events, charity donations, or personal travel. Cons: small sizes of body wash and shampoo might not be sufficient for longer trips. The plastic packaging may not be ideal for those looking for eco-friendly options. Toothbrush bristles may feel too soft for some users who prefer a firmer brush. When it comes to value for money, this kit holds up quite well, especially considering the number of items included and the bulk packaging. The price point is reasonable for the amount of product, particularly when compared to other travel kits that offer fewer items at a similar cost. If you're looking for a large supply of personal hygiene essentials for group travel, homeless shelters, or disaster relief efforts, this set is certainly a practical and affordable choice. Comparing it to other hygiene kits on the market, this one stands out in terms of the number of items included for the price. Many competitors offer fewer products, with either smaller kits or fewer accessories, making this a solid option if you need a comprehensive hygiene solution. The inclusion of floss picks and a vanity kit is a nice bonus compared to others that focus solely on the basics. As for build quality, the materials used in this kit are fairly standard for disposable hygiene products. The toothbrush is lightweight but sturdy enough for a decent clean, and the comb feels durable, although not premium. Overall, the quality aligns with the price point. Nothing feels particularly luxurious, but it gets the job done effectively. Customer support wasn't necessary for this product, as there haven't been any issues requiring assistance so far. However, the brand behind this kit generally has a good reputation for providing affordable hygiene products for bulk applications, especially in the context of community services. If you're looking for an alternative, some similar kits offer fewer items, but might be more environmentally conscious or focus on higher-end ingredients. For example, some kits focus solely on organic or sustainable products, though they may come at a higher price. In conclusion, the 50 Sets Personal Hygiene Kit Bulk is a solid option for those needing bulk hygiene supplies. It covers all the basics and is practical for travel, events, or donations. It might not be the most luxurious option, but it delivers the essentials effectively. If you're in need of a budget-friendly, reliable hygiene kit for a group or event, this could be a great fit. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you found this review helpful. If you already own this kit or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. You can also find the link to the product in the comments box. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep things beautyistic.